Good morning. Mr. Chairman, members of the board, those in the room and those watching, the September 11th, 2025 proceedings of the Board of Liquor License Commissioners for Baltimore City will now begin. Please take this moment to turn off or mute all of your electronic devices. Don't be the one whose phone goes off in the middle of a hearing. Mr. Chair, just a few preliminary matters. If you are here for a particular case, chances are someone checked in with you. If not, please check the docket on the outside of the door to make sure your case is being heard today. We don't want to waste your time. Also, the following cases on today's docket have been postponed and will be heard on a later date. Case number 8, Rodolfo Rodriguez and Laura Rodriguez, Sahoma LLC, trading as Sahoma, 1708 Fleet Street. Request for a hardship request. Case number 22, Thomas LaGrange and Kevin J. Stevens, B. Moore Thai LLC, trading as Bodie Corner, 3500 Chestnut Avenue. Application to transfer ownership. Case number 25, Nat Nuda, Samprasang Stevens and Lay New Lay, B. All Thai LLC, trading as Bodie Federal Hill, 1444 Light Street. Application to transfer ownership. Case number 26, Edward W. Reynolds, Clout Southern Cuisine and Lounge, LLC, trading as 1865 Steak, Seafood, and Liquors, 1602 through 08 Thames Street. Application to transfer ownership. In accordance with Section 12-2105A of the Maryland Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article and Liquor Board Rule 2.16, the following licensees have participated in the monetary penalty in lieu of hearings program by voluntarily admitting the violations as charged and paying the corresponding fines. Gustavo A. Alcarn, Gus's Sports Bar, Inc., trading as Gus's Sports Bar, 501 South Lehigh Street. That was violation of Rule 3.092, and they paid a fine of $500. Carmen DeMarco, John T. Durkin, and Michael Mastalone, Thames Street, Baltimore, LLC, trading as Barcachina, 1629 Thames Street. It was a violation of Rule 4.071, and they paid a fine of $500. Anand K. Yadava, Shataki, Inc., trading as New Seminoes Liquors, 5917 York Road, violation of Rule 4.05, and paid a fine of $500. Jada McCrae and Chris Simon, Black Swan Restaurant, LLC, trading as Black Swan Restaurant, 1100 Fleet Street, number 1302, violation of Rule 4.14 and violation of Rule 3.02A. They paid a fine of $1,000. Nardi Castellan and Anna A. Morahan, Luz LLC, trading as Telemaris Restaurant, 318 South Broadway. Violation of Rule 3.052 and violation of Rule 3.02A, and paid a fine of $800. Jessica Wiley Pineda, Coal Project 2 LLC, trading as the Beverly House, 4505 Hartford Road. Violation of Rule 4.071, and paid a fine of $500. All right. Here we go into the actual cases to be heard. Lester Buster and Zanes E. Cypress Jr., Pi Omega Chapter, Omega Psi Phi Frat, Inc., trading as Pi Omega Chapter, Omega Psi Phi Frat, 2003 Pressbury Street. Class C beer, wine, and liquor license. Request for a hardship extension under the provisions of the Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-2202. Please come forward.
Anyone present for this case? Yes. Commissioner Jones will be recusing himself from this case. It'll just be the two of us hearing it. And your name, sir?
Brian Foster.
Okay. Can you gentlemen raise your right hands, please?
Do you swear or affirm under the penalty of perjury that the answers that you give and the statements that you make will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Yes, sir.
Mr. Foster, we received a letter requesting the extension, but somehow it got photocopied, so I can't read it. But can you tell us what the problem is?
Good morning to the board. My name is Brian Foster.
I'm sorry, sir. Is your mic on? Is it green? There you go.
Now it's green. Cool.
Good morning. My name is Brian Foster, Brother Lester Buster, Brother Zane Cypress. I requested the extension on behalf of Powellmaker Chapter, on behalf of both of these men. We have a building over on Pressbury Street that we currently shut down. We had two options, or we had two issues. One, we shut down for the summer to do some minor construction, nothing major, paint, new chair rails, things of that nature to spruce up our building for our rentals. Then we were notified by the liquor board that we had a hold on our license from the comptroller, state of Maryland. We paid our application fee on time, put in our application fee and everything. The license is waiting for us. But we understand that there was an issue with our central registration number. So we did our due diligence. I've been working over the summer with the comptroller and with the liquor board. That is all cleared up. I have a letter now with our sales and use tax license moving forward. So we're looking to actually get our license. We may not need that extension. I requested the extension thinking that process would take 3 to 4 months. So we were just doing it in earnest to say, hey, we need more time to actually get everything straight. We do have our new CR number, and it's registered. We're registered with the state. Everything is cleared up. I spoke to the comptroller on Tuesday. They have no hold. They were just asking what the liquor board needs from them to move forward so we can get our license.
So you're asking for a 90-day extension?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No questions.
All right, thank you, sir. On the basis then of the written request and your proffer this morning, I vote to approve a 90-day hardship extension for this Class C beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on your July 9th letter and testimony given today, I also vote to approve this 90-day hardship extension of this Class C beer, wine, and liquor license.
Thank you, sir. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Deepak Banat, Madhistulan Kaparupu, I apologize if I mispronounce it, Taikisha Nakia Vinson, Omni Liquors Baltimore LLC, trading as Frankfurt Garden Liquors, 5418 through 20 Sinclair Lane, Class A beer, wine, and liquor license request for a transfer hardship extension under the provisions of the Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Articles, Section 12-1705B.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman, Commissioners. Sean Harvey, 309 South Conklin Street, Baltimore 21224, for the applicant Omni Liquors LLC. We're asking for this extension. We've nearly completed the requirements list, but we have some negotiations going on with some junior creditors of the seller, which have taken more time than we expected. We expect to have that wrapped up very shortly. So if you could grant this 90-day extension, I'm sure we'll have the license transferred in time.
Commissioners have any questions?
No questions.
All right, thank you, Mr. Harvey. On the basis then of your written request of July 23 and your proffer this morning, I vote to approve a 90-day transfer hardship extension for this Class A beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on your July 23rd letter and your proffer made today, also vote to approve this 90-day transfer hardship extension of this Class A beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on your July 23rd letter, application filed, and your proffer today, I also approve the request for a transfer hardship extension in 90 days for 90 days extension.
Thank you.
Good luck. Thank you, Mr. Harvey.
Jonathan Ferguson, Andrew D. Johnson, and Stacy Lynch, Hair of the Dog, Inc., trading as Hair of the Dog, 1649 through 51 South Hanover Street, Class BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license, request for a transfer hardship extension under the provisions of the Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-1705B. Please come forward.
Good morning, Commissioners. Frank Shaw is representing the applicant, the applicant. This is a transfer that we're putting through the new inspection system. We need a little bit more time to get it finished. Should be finished in a month or so.
You're requesting a 90-day extension?
That is correct.
Okay. Any commissioners have any questions?
No questions.
All right, Mr. Shawless, thank you. On the basis of your written request of July 23 and your proffer this morning, I vote to approve a 90-day transfer hardship extension for this Class BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on your July 23rd letter and your proffer made today, I also vote to approve this 90-day transfer hardship extension of this Class BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Mr. Charles, based on your letter dated July 23rd, 2025, application submitted for the same. I also approve a 90-day suspension for the property at 1649 to 51 South Hanover Street. Request, I can't see this again.
Sorry, it's a 90-day hardship extension.
I approve the 90-day extension, hardship extension.
Okay, thank Mr. Chalice, good
I do
luck.
apologize.
May I ask one question?
Yes.
How long does the extension go until when?
What day?
You can see the front counter. They'll give you the deadline.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear.
If you go see the folks out front,
Oh,
that's how they can do the calculation.
Thank you,
So it's essentially 270 days from hearing.
thank you.
I think he has the next case.
Okay, 11, moving on, Lorray Ethan Robinson, Meldon Inc., trading as One a Smash, 3500 O'Donnell Street, Class BD7, beer, wine, and liquor license request for a transfer hardship extension under the provisions of the Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-1705.
Your Honor, please, Commissioners, please, Frank Solis representing the applicant. This is a case where the landlord had a great deal of problem getting a permit, a COM permit, approved for a hooded system, and we're in a holding pattern to get our inspections until he gets approved. So I request a 90-day extension.
Commissioners have questions?
None.
No questions.
All right, thank you, Mr. Chalice. Again, on the basis of your written request of July 23, as well as your proffer this morning, I vote to approve a 90-day transfer hardship extension for this BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on your July 23rd letter and your proffer made today, I also vote to approve this 90-day transfer hardship extension of this Class BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on your letter, July 23rd, and your application filed, and your proffer here today, I approve your request for a transfer hardship extension of 90 days.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Sean Michael White and Michael Raymond Lopez, 1113 South Charles Street, LLC, trade name pending. 1113 South Charles Street, Class B, beer, wine, and liquor license request for a transfer hardship extension under the provisions of the Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-1705B. Please come forward.
Was this 1113 you called? I was in.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. White is on his way. He went to City Hall by accident. Do you want me to proceed or wait
Go
till he
ahead.
gets here? Go ahead.
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Chairman, members of the board. Peter Previs on behalf of the licensees. We did a transfer back in January. The business settled and closed and did extensive renovations. We have completed the entire checklist, and but for this hearing, we are ready to pick up the license. I believe that's accurate, Ms. Wurzberger. So we do request a 90-day hardship in order to pick up the license today.
Commissioners have questions?
None.
Questions?
All right, thank you, Mr. Previs. On the basis of your written request of July 22 and your proffer this morning, vote to approve a 90-day transfer hardship extension for this Class B beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on your July 22nd letter and your proffer made today, also vote to approve this 90-day transfer hardship extension of this Class B beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on your letter, July 22nd, and the application filed, and your proffer given here today, I also approve your request for a transfer hardship extension of 90 days.
Thank you.
Next case.
Lucas Reneris and Pete Coronius, HTMD LLC, trading as Broadway Diner, 6501 Eastern Avenue. Class B beer, wine, and liquor license request for a transfer hardship extension under the provisions of the Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-1705B.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman, members of the board. Peter Previs on behalf of the applicants. This is another 90-day hardship request, transfer hardship request. We had a hearing back in February. Everything is basically done except there is an issue with the comptroller. The client and his accountant are trying to work that out and respectfully request an additional 90 days to get things finished up with the comptroller.
Any questions?
No questions.
All right, thank you. Mr. Previs, on the basis then of your written request of August 12 and your proffer this morning, I vote to approve a 90-day transfer hardship extension for this Class B beer, wine, and liquor license.
Mr. Pierce, based on your August 12th letter and your proffer made today, I also vote to approve this 90-day transfer hardship extension of this Class B beer, wine, and liquor license.
Mr. Previous, based on your August 12th letter, application filed, and proffer given here today, I approve your request for a transfer hardship extension of 90 days.
Thank you very much.
Shabazz Singh and Tracy I. Owens, Conda Enterprises, Inc., trade name pending, 2300 West Baltimore Street. Class BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license request for a transfer hardship extension under the provisions of the Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-1705B.
Ms. Wurzburger, can we waive reading? Is that something that's possible? Can we waive reading in the future to save time? I'm not sure if that's a thing. I don't know.
I think we need it for the record because each case, when you get the transcript, yeah.
I was just checking, that's all. Abraham Hurd on behalf of the applicant for the hardship extension. We're having some challenges at the location with the seller and some tax issues. We're optimistic we'll be able to get those resolved in the next 30 days. We're asking for a 90-day extension from the initial 180 days. And if we can't get it resolved, we'll end up probably filing another amended application at this time.
Gentlemen, have any questions?
No question.
None.
All right, Mr. Hurdle, on the basis of your written request of July 28th and your proffer this morning, I vote to approve a 90-day transfer hardship extension for this Class BG7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Mr. Hurdle, based on your July 28th letter and the proffer made today, I also vote to approve this 90-day transfer hardship extension of this Class BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Mr. Hurd, based on your letter dated July 28, 2025, and your proffer given here today, I also approve your request for a transfer hardship extension of 90 days.
Good luck.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Commissioners. Thank you, folks.
Laura Summerson, Black Cat Bakery Cafe LLC, trading as the Black Cat Bakery, 48 South Carrollton Avenue. Application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license under the provisions of Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-1603C26, requiring $200,000 in capital investment in restaurant fixtures and facilities, and has an executed MOU with Holland's Roundhouse Association, requesting outdoor table service, off-premises catering, and delivery of alcoholic beverages.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ladies, will you raise your right hands, please?
Do you swear or affirm under the penalty of perjury that the answers that you give and the statements that you make will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And we'll need you to identify yourselves when you speak.
This is Laura Summerson.
Laura,
Okay.
Noble Buyer.
can you spell your name?
LARASUMERSON.
Good morning. So can you tell us a little bit about this?
So it is going to be a bakery in Holland's Market. The hours in the beginning are just going to be, the bakery will be from 8 to 4, and we'll be running like light alcohol during the day, mimosas, Bloody Marys, and we're going to be doing happy hours in the evening.
Okay. And is there a $200,000 investment in it?
Indeed,
And
At least.
do we have evidence of that? Is that in the record?
yes.
Oh, yes, I see. I see it now. Okay. Okay, and you're requesting a waiver of the 75-seat provision, is that correct?
Indeed.
I'd be inclined to approve the waiver, gentlemen.
Same here.
Same here.
Okay. And you have a memorandum of understanding with the Holland's Roundhouse Neighborhood Association?
We do, and we submitted their letter of approval as well.
Yes, we've got that, and we'll make that part of the record.
Thank you.
Do we have the MOU, Ms. Wurzburg?
I don't think so.
I've only seen the letter.
We submitted that,
If we don't, can you submit that afterwards?
absolutely.
Okay, and you're agreed to make the terms of the MOU part of your license so that if you violate them, we can bring them in?
Agreed.
Okay. Commissioners have any questions?
I have no questions.
All right, thank you. Did you want to add anything, ma'am?
I just appreciate your all's time on this and contributing to Holland's Market's growth.
Okay, thank you. All right, on the basis then of the materials contained in the application, the testimony received and the evidence received, I vote to approve this application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with outdoor table service, off-premises catering, and delivery of alcoholic beverages. The license will be granted subject to the terms of the MOU with the Hollands Roundhouse Neighborhood Association to the extent those terms are enforceable by law.
Based on the application materials, the testimony given today, and any of the evidence that was admitted prior to this hearing or during the hearing, I also vote to approve this Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with outdoor table service, off-premises catering, and delivery of alcoholic beverages, subject to the MOU as enforceable by law.
Based on the testimony given here today, application filed. I also approved the application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license requesting outdoor table services, off-premise catering, and delivery of alcoholic beverages. Vote to approve this, but the MOU is also part of this approval.
Correct.
And from the record, the seating requirement, didn't say that.
And the seating requirement is waived. Okay.
Thank you.
Ms. Russell?
Exhibits for the record, Board Exhibit 1, letter of support from Highlands Roundhouse Neighborhood Association in support. Exhibit number 2, 4 letters of support from community.
Okay, and you'll submit a copy of the MOU. Thank you, ladies. Good luck.
Thank you.
Artira J. Watkins, Arthuretta Sanders, and Nathaniel Branch III. Beulah Lounge LLC, trading as Beulah Lounge, 5707 Bel Air Road. Application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license under the provisions of Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-1603, C1 2 little I, requiring $200,000 in capital investment in restaurant fixtures and facilities for 40% food sales and seating capacity for a minimum of 75 people, requesting live entertainment, outdoor table service, and delivery of alcoholic beverages. Please come forward.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman, members of the board. Gary Mazel on behalf of the applicants. We've submitted all the required documentation to the board. This facilities, there's over $1 million worth of improvements in this facility. This was a previous existing restaurant in this community, and she reached out to the community members in the community, has a petition which we submitted. I think there's well over 200 or 300 signatures she secured. She has experience in the restaurant business and the food services especially. She is alcohol awareness trained, as well as any other person who's going to be in the restaurant who serves alcohol will have a alcohol awareness certificate issued. It's a beautiful place, as reflected in the pictures that have been submitted. She's anxious to proceed. This is one of the few applicants I've ever had that completed 100% of everything required on the checklist, even before the liquor board hearing.
Yeah, I don't, does it seat 75?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And can we have your name?
Oh, sorry. Arteria Watkins.
All right. Is there anything else, Mr. Maslin?
No, Your Honor.
Commissioners
No
have any
questions.
questions? All right, thank you. On the basis then of the materials contained in the application, the proffer from council and any testimony received, I vote to approve this application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with live entertainment, outdoor table service, and delivery of alcoholic beverages.
Based on the application materials, offer made by council, testimony given today, I'm also vote to approve this Class B beer, wine, and liquor license with live entertainment, outdoor table service, and delivery of alcoholic beverages.
Based on the application filed, proffer given by the attorney, testimony given also in reference to your young lady, I don't know your name.
Arteria Watkins.
Okay. I also approve the application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor license, restaurant license, requesting live entertainment, outdoor table services, and delivery of alcoholic beverages.
Ms. Russell?
No exhibits for the record.
Good luck, Ms. Watkins.
Thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Kevin Matthews, Meredith Brown, and David Shapiro, Chihuahua Brothers LLC, trading as Chihuahua Brothers, 58 West Biddle Street. Application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license under the provisions of Alcoholic Beverages and Cannabis Article, Section 12-1603, C 2 little I, requiring $200,000 in capital investment in restaurant fixtures and facilities, 40% food sales, Seating capacity for a minimum of 75 people. Requesting outdoor table service. Please come forward.
Abraham Hurdle on behalf of the applicants. I'm filling in on for Mr. Kadensky on this. This is a new restaurant request. The applicants have significant experience in the industry. My understanding is they plan to have, what were your hours again that you're planning to have?
For now, we're doing dinner.
Just dinner?
5 to 10.
5 to 10? I believe this is Mr. Matthews.
Kevin Matthews.
M-A-T-T.
Is he going to testify
H-E-W-S.
further?
Excuse me?
Is he going to testify further?
No.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, my apologies. So right now, they're just doing dinner service. They plan to expand hours as business kind of comes online. I think liquor service will help with that, kind of giving them more operations. They don't anticipate being open till 2, but it's something that, again, if business provides, they'd like to have the opportunity to do so. They have the necessary seating, capital investment requirement, and they plan to have the food sales well in excess of 50%.
And the people who handle the alcohol are going to be certified?
Yes, anybody handling alcohol, bar servers or table servers are going to have alcohol awareness certifications.
Commissioners have any questions?
No questions.
All right, thank you, Mr. Hurdle. On the basis then of the materials contained in the application, proffered from council, and any testimony received, I vote to approve this application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with outdoor table service.
Based on the application materials, proffer made by council today, also vote to approve this new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with outdoor table service.
Based on the application received, proffer given by the attorney, I also approve the application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license and requesting outdoor table services.
You'll explain to them our rules about outdoor service, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Ms. Russell?
No exhibits for the record.
Thank you. Good luck, Mr. Matthews.
Waiting outside for me, okay? Thank you. Thank you.
Cruz Rodney Espinal Soto and Dalton Fernandez Texira. Authentico Brazilian Steakhouse LLC, trade name pending, 701 South Eden Street. Application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license under the provisions of alcoholic beverages and cannabis articles, Section 12-1604, C2, 1 little I, requiring $700,000 in capital investment in restaurant fixtures and facilities, 65% of food sales, and seating capacity for a minimum of 150 people. Requesting outdoor table service. Please come forward.
Abraham Hurdle on behalf of the applicant. With me are the two licensees. This is going to be a Brazilian steakhouse. They've got the capital expenditure. This used to be Raw Sushi. The also known address is 1390 Eden Street. We kept it as 701, which was the former address, as well as the former liquor license address, to make it a little easier for tracking with the staff in the future if there's any issues. They anticipate doing food sales probably close to 80 to 95%. People don't tend to drink in super high volumes when they're consuming pounds of beef and chicken at dinner. But they're really excited to get going. I think they're probably maybe about a month away from being able to open, and they're looking forward to it.
Commissioners have any questions?
No questions.
And they have 150 seats in there.
I think it's 155. I know I spent some time with Michelle double checking it. Yeah,
And those who will be handling the alcohol will be certified?
absolutely. And they got the fun pants too over there. Yeah.
Okay. On the basis then of the materials contained in the application, the proffer from council, vote to approve this application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with outdoor table service.
Based on the application materials and the proffer made by council, also vote to approve this new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with outdoor table service.
Based on the application filed, proffer given by the attorney, I also approve the application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license requesting outdoor table services.
Again, you'll explain to them our rules about that.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Ms. Russell?
No exhibits for the record.
All right, good luck, gentlemen.
Taisha Bogues and Anthony Bogues, Clouds and Cocktails LLC, trading as Clouds and Cocktails, 2035 North Broadway. Application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license under the provisions of alcoholic beverages and cannabis article, Section 12-1603, C1, 2 little I, requiring $200,000 in capital investment in restaurant fixtures and facilities and seating capacity for a minimum of 75 people. Requesting live entertainment and outdoor table service, please.
If, Mr. Chairman and Commissioners, Frank Solis, representing the applicant. This is a new building. She completely outfitted. She spent over $400,000, over $500,000 now. getting it together. I think all of that is reflected in the file. She's alcohol certified. She's ready to get her license today, we think. Of course, we haven't come down. But
And they
we
meet the seating
expect it to
capacity.
be approved.
They meet the seating capacity requirement as well?
Yes,
Okay, and all those who handle the alcohol also be certified?
they are certified.
Okay. Commissioners have any?
She has only 2 employees herself and 1, but they'll be certified as soon as she opens.
Okay. Commissioners have questions?
No questions.
All right, thank you. On the basis then of the materials contained in the application and the proffer from council, vote to approve this new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with live entertainment and outdoor table service.
Based on the application materials, the proffer made by council, also vote to approve this new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant license with live entertainment and outdoor table service.
Based on the application file, proffer given by the attorney, I also approve the application for a new Class B beer, wine, and liquor restaurant liquor license, live entertainment, and outdoor table service.
So, Mr. Shaw, make sure you explain to them our rules about live entertainment and outdoor service, and otherwise they're approved. Ms. Russell?
File exhibits for the record. Board Exhibit 1, capital investment.
All right, good luck. Thank you.
Thank
Sarbjeet Singh and Harpal Singh, Washington Liquors, LLC, trading as BW Liquors and Bar, 1269 Washington Boulevard, Class BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license. Application to transfer ownership from a secured creditor. Please come forward.
Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Chairman, members of the board. Peter Previs on behalf of the applicants. I have Ms. Sarbjeet Singh, Mr. Harpal Singh Badwal. That's you, right? But we had a little confusion because this is her husband, but our resident licensee is also Harpal Singh. So we got the wrong Harpal here, but
You marry the right guy?
Yes, I did. No, I married the right person.
And they're married, and this is Bhupinder Singh, their nephew, and he's the cook, and he's going to be the energy behind this project. So, all right. So we have Washington Liquors LLC is the entity that is requesting the license. Back in November of '23 or so, the clients purchased the building and the business for $375,000. Planned to dump another $250,000 for renovations. We ran into a little twist with this license because it's a BD7, but the old use permit said grocery store and liquor store. It didn't say tavern. So when we went to zoning, we couldn't apply to transfer the BD7 tavern use permit. So what we did was we applied for conditional use for a neighborhood commercial restaurant. And the neighborhood was absolutely ecstatic about the concept of renovating this messed up vacant building and putting a nice restaurant in there. So those are the plans. Ms. Singh has been through the city, the architects and the plans and the review and everything else. She plans to be open by December. I don't think she's going to make it, but God bless her if she does. What we've been through with the new permit system lately. No offense, Mr. Jones. There was a letter of community support. We had a zoning hearing. Everybody was much in favor. You have some people in support here today?
I do.
Folks, can you stand?
Good morning, welcome.
Good morning.
And you're here to voice your support for this project as a restaurant in Pigtown. And there's really, the only opposition that was voiced at the zoning was the disgruntled ex-liquor store tenants that were not there. So,
Those who handle alcohol will be certified?
absolutely, Mr. Chairman.
Commissioners have any questions? All right, thank you. On the basis then of the materials contained in the application and the proffer from council, and any testimony received, I vote to approve this application to transfer ownership of this BG7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on the proffer made by council and the application materials, also vote to approve this application transfer ownership from a secured creditor of this BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on the application filed, testimony given, proffered by the attorney, I also approve the application to transfer ownership from the secured creditor of this BD7 beer, wine, and liquor license.
Ms. Russell?
No exhibits for the record.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Khalid Purvakis, Mir, and Jasleveen Singh, Satguru Nanak G LLC, trading as Akbar Restaurant, 823 North Charles Street, Class B beer, wine, and liquor license. Application to transfer ownership, please come forward.
Good morning once again, Mr. Chairman and members of the board. This is a request to transfer a membership interest intra-family. The son is going to be the 100% owner of the business. It's a family business. He works there every day, along with the rest of the family. Akbar Restaurant has been in that establishment, I think, maybe 40 or 50 years.
So you're just adding someone to the LLC, is that?
No, he's not, he was always involved in the business.
Oh.
It's the son, he had a small interest. They transferred all their interest to the son.
Okay.
He's familiar with the operation of the business. He's worked there 2 years already himself.
Commissioners have questions?
Just one. Transferring. One name was on it, and you transfer it to another name. Is that correct?
I believe it's just a transfer of membership interest.
That's what's confusing. When you say membership interest, I think you're talking about the LLC. You're talking
The
about
LLC, right.
Okay. All right. Do you have any Okay. Do you have any further? All right. Thank you. On the basis then of the materials contained in the application and the proffer from council, I vote to approve this application to transfer ownership of this Class B beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on the application materials proffered made by council today, I also vote to approve this application transfer ownership of this Class B beer, wine, and liquor license.
Based on the application file, proffer given by the attorney, I also approve the transfer of this B beer, wine, and liquor license.
Ms. Russell?
No exhibits for the record.
All right. Thank you. Good luck.
Thanks, John.
Daniel Tekelmariam, Addy Hello, Inc., trading as Angels Wine and Spirits, 249 West Chase Street, Class A beer, wine, and liquor license. Application to transfer ownership, requesting delivery of alcoholic beverages. Please come forward.
Abraham Hurd on behalf of the applicant. I do have an MOU that was signed, I believe, yesterday with the Mount Vernon Belvedere Community Association. I can pass that forward. I do have 4 copies for the board.
Thank you. They'll be received.
It's a transfer of his existing A license. My understanding is the MOU permits them to be open from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. the 6 days a week. I don't think anything's really going to change tremendously with operations. He is alcohol awareness certified. He'll have all staffers who work the counter be alcohol awareness certified. We've talked about having anyone, even stock people, be alcohol awareness certified. I'm not sure we're going to get that far, but I don't think this is a big store that's going to have a lot of employees.
And the terms of the MOU will be binding on them?
Absolutely.
Okay. Commissioners have any questions?
No questions.
All right, thank you. On the basis of the materials contained in the application, the proffer from council, and the evidence received, I vote to approve the application to transfer ownership of this Class A beer, wine, and liquor license with the delivery of alcoholic beverages, subject to the terms of the MOU with the Mount Vernon and Belvedere Community Association, to the extent those terms are enforceable by law.
Based on the application materials proffered made by council and the exhibit that was entered today into the record, I also vote to approve this application transfer ownership of this Class A beer, wine, and liquor license with delivery of alcoholic beverages, subject to the MOU as enforceable by law.
Based on the application file, proffer given by the attorney, I also approve the application to transfer ownership, requesting delivery of alcoholic beverages, and also the MOU is part of this agreement.
Ms. Russell?
No exhibits for the record. Board Exhibit 1, MOU.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Final case for the day, Jacqueline Aaron Meerman, Vivian's LLC, trading as Vivian's, 3100 East Baltimore Street, Class B beer, wine, and liquor license application to transfer ownership requesting outdoor table service and off-premises catering.
Abraham Hurd on behalf of the applicant. This is a request for a transfer of an existing B license with outdoor seating and off-premises catering. Ms. Meerman, I believe, has, I want to say 3 other kitchens, but I think 2 of them are technically restaurants. None of them have licenses. She has about 20 years in the industry in terms of experience. She anticipates there being no real hiccups here. This will be her first liquor service location where she's the licensee, though, and she's very much looking forward to taking over and running things.
Is she alcohol certified?
She is, and if not, we'll have her certified for sure, of course, before the license is issued. And again, we plan to have all staff that handle alcohol awareness certified as well.
Mr. Staff, questions?
None.
No questions.
All right, thank you. On the basis that the materials contained in the application and the proffer from council, I vote to approve this application to transfer ownership of this Class B beer, wine, and liquor license with outdoor table service and off-premises catering.
Based on the application materials and the proffer made by council, also vote to approve this application to transfer ownership of the Class B beer, wine, and liquor license with outdoor table service and off-premises catering.
Based on the application file, proffer given by the attorney, I also approve the application to transfer ownership, requesting outdoor table service and off-premise catering. This is
Russell.
Class B, beer, wine, and liquor license.
Excuse me. Ms. Russell?
Exhibits for the record.
All right, thank you. Good luck.
Thank you, Commissioners. Move excused.
You may be.
There being no further business before this board, the board is in recess until Thursday, September 25th, 2025 at 10:30 a.m. We are adjourned.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.